I'm in the home of Mr. Jiang in Hoiping, China, who's going to cook a few tasty Hoiping home-style dishes. So the first dish is stewed duck with pork skin, and let's have a look, see how it's done. Oh, yeah. So pig skin stir-fried first, and it's going to be the duck that goes in there too. The pig skin will absorb the juices and the sauce from the duck. So in China, most of the cooking is done over gas stove. There's a giant propane tank here they use to fire the stove. Oh, that's 豉油嗎？豉油。豉油紅啲醬咩嘅？攞嚟煮鴨嗰個。哦，啲豉油紅啲鴨皮。啲鴨皮啲屌，啲好嚟醬呢個好啲色水。Oh, okay. The sauce is made with soy sauce, some wine, and some of the blood and juices of the duck. So you've done that, you take the pig skin out, set it aside. You can add it back in later. And you give the wok a good wash before you start the next stage of the cooking. It looks like about 2 油啊，咁嘅最緊要2油嘅啫。Okay, so just add. Oh, okay. So you put about I would say about 7 or 8 tablespoons of oil. Okay. So you're almost like deep frying the ginger to bring out the flavor. So you take some of the oil out. Okay. 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 So take some of the oil out and leave the ginger in the wok, and add some of the innards to the duck. Stir fry the gizzard. Stir fry the duck gizzard. Okay. Stir fry the duck gizzard and liver and other pieces. Then add about a teaspoon of salt. Now you cut the duck into pieces and put the duck into the wok. Oh. Yeah, or who will okay. Oh, okay. So that's add some more of that rice wine with the soy sauce and duck blood. This really gives it good flavor. So you put about 4 or 5 cups of water into the wok. So now you add the pig skin, the pork skin, after about 10 minutes. So you let the duck stew in the wok for around half an hour. So it's taking the duck off right now. So it's been stewing there for about half an hour. Wow, that looks really delicious. It smells good too. So we're having dinner here in Hoiping, China. Enjoy. Thanks for checking out my video, and please give me a thumbs up, and be sure to check out some of my other videos on this channel, and please subscribe. And if you get a chance, check out my other channel, the Chinese Cooking Channel. So the Chinese Cooking Channel won the top 20 best Chinese food blogs in the world, and it was also awarded the top 40 best China YouTube channels in the world. Be sure to subscribe by pushing the subscribe button and the notification button as well to get the next video.